Play.
So let's proceed to the proposal. There is a proposal with a person who has decided to commit a felony purpose in execution to some other persons or persons. So the conspiracy and proposal to commit rebellion or insurrection shall be punished, respectively by prison correctional with its maximum period of a fine which shall not exceed 5,000 pesos and by prison correctional with medium period and its not exceeding 2,000 pesos as amended by the Act number 6968. Two crimes are defined and penalized in this article. Conspiracy and proposal to commit rebellion are two different crimes, namely conspiracy to commit rebellion and proposal to commit rebellion. So the conspiracy to commit rebellion, two crimes are different, of course, with two or more individuals reach mutual agreement to engage in rebellion. They must not only agree but also decided to execute the rebellion. So the elements, an agreement between two or more persons. The agreement is to rise publicly and take arms against the government. The purpose of rebellion is one thus specified in Article 134 of the Revised Penal Code. Example, to overthrow the government and separate territory. Katulad ito nilikas being insurrection, to overthrow the rebellion, to overthrow the government power. Then they have decided to commit it. The punishment merely agreeing and deciding to commit rebellion is punishable regardless of whether the rebellion is ultimately carried out. And let's go to the proposal to commit rebellion. This crime occurs when an individual having already decided to participate in rebellion suggests to invite other person or persons to join in its execution. Katulad mo, mag-convince ka or propose ka o to commit rebellion. And its element is the proposer has already decided to rise publicity and taking arms against the government, and the proposer communicates this intention to other person or persons. The purpose of rebellion is one of those specified in Article 134 of the Revised Penal Code. And the punishment, the act will proposing the rebellion is punishable even if the proposal rejected or the rebellion is not occurred. Kanang plano pa lang, so nana siya pwede na siya ma-punish. Paano sila plano through kanang rebellion. So currently proposing the commission of said act is already subject to punishment. The person is merely agreeing and deciding among themselves to rise publicly and taking arms against government of the purpose mentioned in Article 134 without actually rising publicly and taking arms against the government, or the purpose earlier proposing the commission of agreeing and deciding among themselves. So kanang proposal to commit rebellion. Dili lang ito makita kaning rise publicly and take arms against the government for the purpose of mention sa katong Article 134 katong kay Casping insurrection, then without actually rising publicly and taking arms against government, or those merely proposing the commission of send acts to other person without actually performing those overt acts under the Article 134 are all already subjected to punish. People versus Geronimo 190 landmark case. Then last, no conspiracy when there is no agreement and no decision to commit rebellion. So kung walay conspiracy and walay kanang kasabot commit sila og rebellion. So there is no kanang rebellion, walay conspiracy. Katong ilis lang ka na ganing wala sila kasabot na commit rebellion. A witness is testified for the prosecution in charge of conspiracy to commit rebellion state that he heard the accused in their conversation saying, what a life is full of misery, constantly increasing, with our wickedness and when will the authorities remedy them? What should we do? Katulad siya kanang kalpala sa mga mapalto nga NPA. So, kung ang witness na nakakita, katulad ni if kung kanang sila mga tao is kanang readiness na sila o na sila kanang conspiracy to commit rebellion.